Samsung is gearing up for the launch of its highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series, and the latest leaks reveal some major production targets. According to reports from Samsung's supply chain, the tech giant plans to churn out a staggering 22 million Galaxy S25 units by mid-summer 2025. This ambitious production goal highlights Samsung's confidence in its upcoming flagship lineup. While 22 million is a large number, it's broken down across the three expected models of the Galaxy S25 series: the base Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As usual, the Ultra variant is expected to take the spotlight. Samsung has always placed significant emphasis on its Ultra flagships, and this year is no different. Based on the current production roadmap, Samsung plans for the Galaxy S25 Ultra to account for nearly half of the total production, with approximately 11 million units slated for production by June 2025. This clearly shows that the company is banking on the Ultra's continued popularity. For the base Galaxy S25 model, Samsung is planning to produce around 6 million units, while the Galaxy S25 Plus will have a slightly smaller share with 4 million units expected by mid-2025. This distribution aligns with recent trends, as Ultra models have consistently been more popular among consumers, offering top-tier specifications and features. Looking into the manufacturing schedule, Samsung is ramping up production gradually. According to the ELEC, production of the Galaxy S25 series is expected to hit 2 million units by December 2024. From there, the production pace accelerates: 5 million units in January, 4 million in February, 3 million in March, and 2 million units each in April, May, and June. While these monthly figures add up to slightly less than the 22 million target, this discrepancy is likely due to rounding or early production adjustments. It's clear that Samsung is confident in its manufacturing capabilities and is preparing for strong demand right out of the gate. It's important to note that while Samsung has shared these production targets with its component suppliers, these numbers are not set in stone. Production plans can shift depending on market conditions, consumer demand, and potential supply chain disruptions. Samsung has been known to adjust its production volumes based on early sales figures, so the actual number of Galaxy S25 phones produced by June could change. This flexibility is key to Samsung's ability to respond to market trends and consumer preferences. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is once again expected to be the star of the show. Samsung has seen tremendous success with its Ultra models in the past, and it's no surprise that the company is placing a large bet on the S25 Ultra's sales. The Ultra series typically packs the most powerful hardware premium. These numbers seem achievable. With the Ultra model accounting for a significant portion of these sales, it's clear that Samsung's strategy revolves around pushing its high-end models to attract consumers seeking the best in smartphone technology. For fans eagerly awaiting the release, the next few months will be critical as Samsung ramps up production and prepares to unveil the Galaxy S25 lineup to the world. Whether you're eyeing the base model, the Plus, or the Ultra, it's clear that Samsung is ready to deliver on its promise of innovation and performance once again. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the Galaxy S25 launch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch: the Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.